If you're seeing a socket open error in the Epic Games Launcher, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear the Webcache folder, which is one of the most common fixes for launcher connection issues, loading problems, and weird sign-in errors. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick PC fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, close the Epic Games Launcher completely. Make sure it is not just minimized in the taskbar. You want it fully shut down, because if the launcher is still running in the background, the files you're about to delete may be locked and the fix might not work properly. Next, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run box. In the text field, type %local AppData%, then press Enter. This will take you to your local AppData folder, where Windows stores files for many installed applications. Once the folder opens, look for Epic Games Launcher and open it. From there, go into the Saved folder. Inside the Saved folder, you should see a folder called Webcache. You may also see other folders with similar names, like Webcache _ followed by numbers. These are also cache folders that can cause launcher problems, so delete Webcache and any Webcache _XXX folders you find. Deleting these folders will clear out corrupted or outdated browser data inside the Epic Games Launcher, which often fixes socket open errors and lets the launcher reconnect normally. After you delete them, you can close File Explorer and reopen the Epic Games Launcher. Give it a moment to rebuild the cache files, then check if the error is gone. In many cases, this simple reset is all you need to get the launcher working again. If the issue is still there, you may want to try restarting your PC and launching Epic Games once more, because a fresh restart can help clear anything left stuck in memory. But in most cases, removing the Webcache folder solves the problem right away. If this video helped you fix the socket open error in Epic Games, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.